headed back to New Orleans, driving in the country past old-timey scenes. Big birds were singing in the tall willow trees, mighty fine. 3 words written on a paper bag, I miss you, was written in a message in black, thrown in a van 2,000 miles back, a better time. And how many souls and times that I've told, places that I'd want to be, and how many days when I could have stayed, instead of just getting up to leave. And given we make time, I'll meet you down the line. Long coat, walking on a New York street, a pack of crushed cigarettes fell to her feet. Well, ain't it odd how some people meet? But that's the truth. And 2 pictures buried in a guitar case, underneath the music sheets all over the place. I caught a glimpse of the sweetest girl's face I ever knew. And how many souls and times that I've told, the places that I'd like to be, and how many days when I could have stayed, instead of just getting up to leave. And given we make time,
was his neighbour and friend, 19-year-old.
I'll meet you down the line. All the days from now to then, if they never seem to come or to go, find me in your memories that keep you from getting so low. And given we make time, meet you down the line, down the line. We'll meet up down the line, down the line.
Please turn next right.
Mitchell, the 2 had been arrested by a different squad.
I look out across the water, I smell the salt, I feel the breeze, but in my heart I hear the calling of my old home, Tennessee. Even though where these rivers flow, miss the smoke on the Cumberland and the fireflies at midnight and the color of the leaves in the fall. Flow. Why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise each and every time, and I've still got Tennessee on. Yeah, I've still got Tennessee on my mind.
And she said her name was Susan.